யாதும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேளீர். நான் நவீன்.
I'm Arvind Siddharaman.
माझं नाव गायत्री आहे.
मैं उत्सव.
నా పేరు అఖిల్ కృష్ణ.
I am Pawan.
मैं सिद्धांत चौहान.
This is Syed Mohammed Omar. I'm currently studying mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering
In VIT Chennai.
VIT might seem to be an engineering college on paper, but it offers way more than engineering and technology.
Even though I've come here from abroad, the whole campus culture has embraced me with open arms and, dare I say, make me feel more at home than home itself.
At SMEC, we don't compete, but we bolster each other to create.
Casting the world, forging the campus, shaping the universe, building the rest of all branches. Because we are machines, we are the School of Mechanical Engineering.
SMEC has provided us with superior learning experience, equipping our classrooms to meet their full potential. Our faculties use blackboards as well as audiovisual aids, which enhances our interaction with them and makes the learning better. Our faculties pay individual attention to us and are always available for clearing our doubts. I never hesitate to knock on their cabin doors at any point of the day, and they are always welcoming. I couldn't have asked for better faculty.
We in SMEC at VIT are taught to design our realities by not just educating minds but also making us future industry ready by exposing us to industrial challenges by fully course dedicated industry visits. During these, we visit real work environment, places where we can apply ourselves and understand the requirements of the industry. After all, it is here that we all have to work, and VIT Chennai is located in the perfect area, so we have access to several industries. Students here are also lectured by industrial experts who believe in creating opportunities and improving lives for the best-in-class practical knowledge.
Our professors want us to be well aware in everything we study and be up to date in the latest trends in the mechanical field. Hence, our courses are theoretical as well as lab-based, and we have labs for almost all our classes. As we engross ourselves into the subjects, whether it is about the intricacies of fluids and gases, the pyrotechnics of welding, or even the skills required to manufacturing, we study them in depth because of easy accessibility to machine tools and equipment. This hands-on experience allows us to broaden our thought process on the subject and completely understand the concepts. Also, if we were ever to get stuck, we have well-versed lab assistants who are always there to make sure we have everything we need. Whenever something is unclear or we have a cloudy understanding of a concept, we venture to one of the many labs to really open up and apply the concept and visually understand the basic concept. This helps us to be one step ahead of others and also test the limits of our knowledge and creativity.
Being innovative, state-of-the-art labs at SMEC has provided us rich infrastructure and facilities for the future. Design and build from conception, coupled with 3D computer designing and printing, with top-of-the-line precise cutting machines, with support of graphic prototyping, which puts you in a great position in bringing ideas to reality. Helps on focusing academically challenging Industry 4.0 solutions and real-world problems. SMEC provides us space, skills and access to support you with latest emerging technologies with hands-on experience to make you more specialized and unlock the potential of the trends, digital manufacturing, 3D printing and automation during a time of engineering.
At SMEC VIT, apart from regular studies, we also have a variety of student-founded special teams, starting right from ATV to Formula cars, both in combustion and electric categories. The good thing is that these teams doesn't stop here. We also have teams forming rovers, robo and even planes. These special teams have made VIT proud at both national and international level by competing against the top teams across the globe. In these special teams, we apply the knowledge and skills that we have gained during our lectures and thus gaining an hands-on experience in both designing and manufacturing. These special teams help us in providing a platform to learn important skills such as teamwork and leadership.
A new decade calls for a new blood, and that's what VIT is after. We receive a lot of international exposure while attending different international and national events in cities such as Pune, Coimbatore, Indore, and Rochester. For designing, simulation, and analysis of the components, we use different softwares like SolidWorks, Adams, Lotus Suspension Analysis, GearTrax, ANSYS, and many depending on the requirement. Once the designing phase is done, the teams deal with the manufacturing phase. After the production of the entire vehicle, we start testing, where the final product undergoes vigorous tests and it is ready for the auspicious events. With a history of victories and an immense desire to cement our place as the best teams in India, SMEC extends its arms towards the students.
Here at SMEC, we have a mosaic of different competitions and fests, both in the technical and non-technical grounds, which help the students widen their knowledge and creativity. To aid the students dive deep into the world of mechanical engineering, we have many student chapters, societies, and clubs dedicated to robotics, aerodynamics, aerospace, energy, and even heating and refrigeration, etc. Being part of these clubs have made me gain a lot of technical experience in the different realms of mechanical engineering, which I know will prepare me well for my professional life later on. We have a set of highly qualified and dedicated faculties at SMEC who take regular initiatives to conduct conferences and guest lectures by inviting famous, dignified resource persons, in addition to conducting industrial events to different places. The faculties also help students carry out research under their guidance, with many students publishing their papers in renowned journals. And of course, we have many interesting and fun-filled clubs and events dedicated to the arts, which are totally enlivening, refreshing, and make your college life fun and memorable. The fests, be it technical or non-technical, are also a huge part of college life.
International relations maintained by VIT are outstanding. We have several programs with ties to universities around the globe in countries like Australia, China, Sweden, and USA. We give opportunities such as semester abroad, and we even have opportunities to take up internships abroad.
The School of Mechanical Engineering at VIT Chennai stands out due to its enthusiastic performance and participation in research. Even undergraduates can publish their research papers in esteemed journals. And of course, this is all thanks to the encouragement given by the faculty who guides us in every step of the way. SMEC also hosts events such as seminars and conferences which bring all the knowledgeable people together. These events are really exciting and we get to connect with these knowledgeable personalities, and the campus is literally teeming with innovators. Our school has provided us with all the required machinery, equipment and material. The labs are always open to us, and we have the state-of-the-art facilities on campus such as the anecho chamber, the industrial automation center and even 3D printing labs. SMEC always has been equipped with the best of the best, and it has never failed to impress me.
Placements for SMEC are getting better year by year. Top-notch companies such as Hyundai, Mahindra, Yamaha, TVS, Maruti Suzuki, L&T, etc. are constantly on the outlook for new talent, and VIT works as a perfect recruiting launchpad for them. The number of mechanical engineers getting a super dream package have increased over the years, which has inspired many.